One of the most common questions that I get from brands is how much is a content creator going to cost me? So in this video, I'm going to break down the entire thing. Now, the first thing to note is TikTok is still the Wild West, right? The price ranges from content creators are going to be all over the map. We've gone as low as, $500 a month for content creators to make consistent content, all the way up to $10,000 a month. So there's going to be such a wide range, and it's also going to depend on the niche that you're in and the quality and size of the content creator that you want to work with. For example, if you are in the finance space or the marketing space, crypto, anything business related, those content creators are typically going to be more expensive. And here's why. Most of those creators have a very good idea of how to monetize, right? So a lot of content creators who are talking about business tips, typically they have their own business on the back end. They're already making money from TikTok, and so their prices are much higher versus someone who's in maybe the entertainment space, or they're making funny videos of them like shooting a basketball. A lot of times those content creators, they have no way to make money, so their prices come down a ton in order to land some of these deals with brands. So depending on what your niche you're in and how monetizable these content creators are, that's going to tell you kind of if you're going to be on the higher side or the lower side of working with content creators. But to give you, a closer range, typically we see a lot of these deals falling between $2,000, maybe up to $5,000 a month for a top end creator to come in and make consistent content for your brand. Here's another tip that I want to include for you. And this is a great way for brands to kind of get their overall budget down for the content creation side while aligning incentives with the content creator. Because this is something that's super important. You don't want to just hire someone and then they just treat it like a job, right? Where they're like, whatever, I got to make 30 pieces of content this month. It is what it is. If you align the incentives with these creators and you structure it more of a partnership where they're incentivized to do better, right? They want to grow this account. They see it as a huge opportunity. It's gonna make things better in the long run for you. And here's how we typically do this. One, you can include an affiliate link in the bio of the TikTok account. And you can tell the content creator, hey, we'll give you 15% of every sale that you drive through the TikTok account. And now that's not going to be the only thing that you're going to be able to pay them, right? 95% of creators, probably even more, 99% of creators, they're not going to take a deal just off of an affiliate basis. But let's say your budget's a little bit tight and you can kind of throw this in as like the icing on top of the cake to give them some upside. Another way to do this is by starting your creator off at a base salary, right? Let's say $2,000 a month. That's their base salary. And then for every, 10,000 followers that they gain, that salary increases $500 a month. And so that way, once they get to 100,000 followers, now they're making basically a full-time income from running your account. And now you are happy to pay that full-time income because you are generating a ton of revenue from an account. And so that's how you can scale your creators' compensation along with the revenue that you're generating from TikTok and to formalize these longer term partnerships with creators.